Yo, it is officially 2023. New year, new me. I'm not too sure what's gonna be open today, let alone at this hour, but we're out on the streets anyways. And I just got my first order. This one's probably gonna be open. It's a 7-Eleven, 11:25, going just under 5 miles.
Oh, I like that.
Oh,
Does that work for you? I would love to. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah, he came in a couple different times wearing that.
Thank you so much.
And someone made a comment on it. I was like, it's because of... Awesome. Have a good one, honey.
You as well. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Just got the stacked Walmart order. I believe it's at $30, going about 6 miles. Hopefully they're open.
There is a case of water.
Of course there is. You got your ID with you?
What's it IDing for? The alcohol?
Yeah, I'm assuming.
Where's the alcohol?
And then just scribble inside this box for me.
Shut up.
Just got the Starbucks order, $9.25, going 6 miles. I actually don't even know if this place is open. I can't tell yet. Thank you. Next order finally came in. It's Jack in the Box, $14 and some change, going about 3.5 miles. This place is closed from what I can tell. Never mind, this place is closed. But I did just get this kitchen table cafe, $8.25 for 3 miles.
I don't have that one yet. It'll be just another couple minutes, okay?
We have dashers here. I need somebody to help me with DoorDash stuff, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
There's the orange juice for you. Have a great day.
You as well. Almost had to unassign that one. They had a stack full of order tickets. Next order just came in. Sees the bagel, $8.25, going less than 2 miles. I see some cars outside. I think it's open. Yes.
Here, perfect. That's the one. Here it is for you.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good day.
You as well. Next order up is a Starbucks, $10, going about 3 miles. Love your hat.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Happy New Year. Thank you.
Enter your pickup at McDonald's.
$10 for about 6 miles.
I'm back in that one right now. 37A.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi. Up on the counter would be great. Thank you.
Thank you. Next up is a Victor Rico's, $8.25, going under 4 miles.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. I just got the shop and deliver for Walgreens as I was dropping that off. It's $11, going 4 miles, 4 items. This one's $12 and some change, going 6 miles.
Sorry for the wait.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna be calling it here. It's still kind of early today, 11:17, but I've got prior arrangements I need to handle. Current time, like I said, 11:17. Current total was 114, and I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so maybe 125. Pretty good day, actually, considering I thought I was gonna be running into a lot more closed restaurants. Thankfully not. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.